If your Croton plant has stopped growing, looks crowded, or roots are coming out from the bottom, it's time to repot. Today, I'll show you how to safely move your beautiful Croton plant into a bigger black plastic pot. First, choose a pot that is 2 to 3 inches wider than the current one. Make sure it has drainage holes at the bottom. This is very important because Crotons don't like standing water. Now prepare the soil mix. Crotons love well-draining soil. Mix garden soil. This keeps the soil light and healthy. Next, gently water the plant before removing it. This makes it easier to take out. Carefully turn the small pot sideways and tap the sides, or use hammer. Slowly remove the plant without damaging the roots. Loosen the roots slightly if they are tightly packed. Due to more holes, break the old plant as pot and keep small pieces at the bottom so that all the water is not wasted. Add some soil at the bottom of the new big black pot. Place the plant in the center and fill the sides with fresh soil. Press gently to remove air gaps. Water lightly after repotting and keep it in bright, indirect sunlight for a few days. That's it. Your Croton will now have more space to grow bigger, healthier, and more colorful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more plant care tips.